understanding is that's not a big enough problem that anyone's talking about it. They've implemented a number of things, like, for instance, some countries can only talk back to either other XOs or they talk back to a school server. They have ways of disabling the machine, so effectively killing it. Things that we would think of as evil here. There are ways of getting around that, of course, because there are things like developer keys. You can only run, in the default, if you get an XO and don't have a developer key, you can only run signed binaries or a signed ROM that boots to. So you essentially have to have a signed kernel that you're going to load. They've put in a number of things like that to try and minimize it, but I haven't heard that it's a huge problem.
So for whatever it's worth, there's only one XO on eBay right now, and it's $200, so there must not be a big used market in it.
Yeah, and most of the ones that you see used are ones that people bought get one, and then they realized that that sugar is not what people expect.
I would expect to see more.
Yeah, the Fedora boot has a couple of XOs, and so if you want to play with one, go grab one of the XOs off that table and play with it. It will. It's very, very different than what you're used to seeing. Anyone else? I appreciate all of you guys attending and listening.
Thank you, Dave. A couple of quick announcements. We've just been informed that there's another $500 worth of ThinkGeek cards that have been added to the raffle. So if you haven't bought any raffle tickets yet, there's 5 $100 ThinkGeek gift cards that have been contributed by, I think, SourceForge. So stop out the back and check it out. Thanks.